Hey, it's a lovely snowy day. And last night already started snowing, and I made some fun activities with the snowman, building a snowman, which you have to watch it till the end. And this, I got a hot choco. Let's go roam around. We made a snowman yesterday, and now we are surprised that it's still here. So I just need to modify because the eye fall off a little bit. So let's go check it out. Hello, Mr. Snowman. Good boy. Now eyes are fixed. Handsome snowman. It's really fun out here. Like, trees are full of snow and I'm just shaking it like really, really nice, and it dropped to my whole body. Do the snowball. Let's do this. Whoa! Target! Hit! Small break, hot choco time. The sun was already warming up, but I still feel cold though, although it doesn't bother me anyway. Oh, the hot choco just complements this lovely snowy day. Really. Cheers. Wow. It's just so beautiful. it really gives happiness to the people. They really come out despite whatever is happening now. Just super nice. We are in North Germany, and normally in this area, it does not snow. Even the locals have told us that it has been like years since the last time they saw a snow. So this is also very special to all of us. Look. There's a big hill here, and the kids are trying to sledge down. But it's not so much snow, so they cannot really do the full thing. But it's still fun though. The people are really going out and just enjoying the snow. I was wrong. As you've seen, the people are really enjoying. The kids can actually really sledge down from the hill. And it's not just the kids, the adults as well. They're really enjoying it. Cool. Snow, snow, snow. Now, let's make some snowballs. No, no, no. It's -1 degree. Let's do a snowball. It's a perfect time to do it. Go. Oh. Shoop. I'm building a snowman, and this is the first base. Look. Base is here. So I made my first ever snowman. Yay! And the most important thing, the carrot for the nose. Let's do this. There you go. First ever snowman.
Yeah.
Snowman, you look a little bit sad. Oh, we're going home now. But you'll be okay. You will love being in the outdoors, right? You'll be fine. It is just a super special feeling when you have the real snowflakes, the real snow coming down to your face. Coming from a very warm tropical country, snow is such a special, special thing for me. Well, I believe for most of us who hasn't really had this in our childhood or something. Yeah, it's so nice, just so calming as well, you know, and so quiet. Wow, this is just a special feeling. And you have all this here, the snow, this sense of quietness, just purely nice.